Alright, hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Dylan. Thank you so much for coming by. Excuse me, it's the morning and I'm still waking up, but I wanted to make this video and just check in with you all and just say that I'm so happy and thankful and grateful that you are watching this video. And I wanted to firstly ask you to subscribe to this channel. It's really important that you do, and I just wanted to tell you all what I'm up to these days. Where I've been. I know I took quite a long time off from posting on YouTube, and I just want to say that I'm back. This is the place where you're gonna find my updates on just my life, everything going on in the news, everything going on with that I'm interested in. A lot of you guys know that you know, I've been doing YouTube for about 3 years now. I've been doing a lot of other stuff, and yeah, I just needed some time off. I took about a year off, so it's very interesting to be back. And well, I didn't necessarily take a year off. I basically took like 3 months off. So some of you guys also know that I recently purchased my first home ever. I did get a fixer-upper house, and to be honest, it was way more work than I knew what I was getting myself into. I thought that getting a fixer-upper, oh yeah, it'll take a couple weeks, you know, put in new floors, new paint, whatever, call it a day. No, it is not like that. The house I bought, my friends, was extremely outdated, and there was so many things that were broken that I didn't even realize until after I closed on the house. And you know, I bought the house kind of in a time where buyers had not a lot of leverage, but it was definitely a seller's market. Interest rates were rising, but still not incredibly high like they are right now. And you know, I wasn't really able to negotiate much in terms of getting things fixed before closing on the house. And a lot of you guys know that when you're buying a house, you can ask for things to be fixed. Like, you know, if there's foundational issues, plumbing issues, structural issues, like not cosmetic things, like, you know, you can't ask for new windows, or like, I mean, I guess you maybe could if they're broken, which some of mine were, but I'll get into that in a second. Yeah, just random stuff that needed to be fixed. The only thing that we got fixed was like termite damage that the sellers actually fixed, but other than that, I had to do so much stuff on my own. And again, I didn't realize a lot of the stuff, like we have a skylight, it was leaking. And I didn't realize that until way later. The fence was falling apart, so we had to fix the whole fence, and it wasn't just like, you know, a wooden fence, it was like a cement thing, and those are not easy to fix, or cheap at all. So yeah, just carpet was all old, like it was just, I think the people living in here before just did not take care of the property at all. I still need a new water heater. I haven't gotten one of those yet. I don't even have a fridge in my kitchen. Like, I don't even, my bedroom's not set up. Like, I've been living here for a while, but I'm trying to get used couches to save money. But anyways, guys, it's okay. Like, things are going, and I'm trying to get back, and this is another reason why I'm wanting to share my experience with you all here. And yeah, so anyways, I'm doing well though, and I just wanted to check in with you guys and just say thank you firstly and foremost, and that I am excited to be back here on YouTube. I'm gonna start driving for Uber or for Lyft again, and starting to document my experience, just making extra side income. A lot of you guys know that I do like creating extra side income. So yeah, that's kind of my plan for now. Maybe do some Doordash, Uber Eats delivery, and still drinking my coffee, sitting here. And fun fact, this little library that I have, bookshelf, is actually a closet. If you just go a little bit over, there's actually a mirror right there. But yeah. So anyways, guys, just want to say I hope you all are doing well. I will leave my links in the description box down below to follow me on Instagram and YouTube. And yeah, guys, thank you so much. I love you all. I'm praying for you guys. You guys are awesome. God bless. Bye now.